Over 60? 8 collagen-rich foods to reduce leg swelling and strengthen joints. Have you started to notice swelling in your legs, stiffness in your joints, or a strange tingling feeling that just doesn't seem to go away? These are not just random aches or getting older pains. In many cases, they're your body's way of sending a quiet warning that it may be running low on one of its most important building materials, collagen. Collagen is what helps keep your skin firm, your joints smooth, and your legs strong and supported. But after the age of 60, the body naturally makes far less of it. In fact, collagen production can drop by as much as 75% compared to earlier years. The surprising part is that most seniors don't realize this is happening, and many everyday foods may actually be speeding up the loss. The good news is that research shows there are 8 simple, natural foods that can help your body rebuild collagen. In some studies, collagen activity increased by more than 140%. When added consistently, these foods may help reduce swelling, support joint comfort, and restore strength in just a few weeks. One of them is a food many people have avoided for years, even though it may be one of the fastest ways to help legs and joints feel younger again. Before we begin, let us know in the comments. Have you noticed changes in your legs or joints lately? And what foods are you currently eating to support your health? We read every comment and love sharing helpful tips based on your experience. 8. Egg yolks. For many years, egg yolks were blamed for raising cholesterol and harming heart health. Because of that, a lot of people were told to avoid them. But newer research has completely changed that view. Today, egg yolks are recognized as one of the richest natural sources of nutrients that support collagen production. Egg yolks are especially high in glycine and proline, 2 amino acids your body needs to make collagen. Glycine helps form the strong, rope-like structure that gives collagen its strength. This structure supports the skin, tendons, and ligaments. When glycine levels are low, collagen production slows down, which can lead to sagging skin and stiff, uncomfortable joints. Proline, which is also found in egg yolks, helps stabilize collagen by supporting the creation of hydroxyproline. This compound strengthens connective tissue in both the skin and joints. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging found that older adults who ate whole eggs at least 4 times a week had 24% higher levels of collagen peptides in their blood compared to those who skipped the yolk. That same group also reported less morning joint stiffness and reduced lower leg swelling after just 6 weeks. For best results, eggs should be lightly cooked, such as soft-boiled or poached. This helps protect the amino acids while reducing oxidation. Scrambled eggs and omelets are still helpful, but cooking at very high heat may slightly reduce some benefits. Eating eggs with vitamin C-rich vegetables like spinach or tomatoes can boost collagen production even more. Vitamin C helps your body convert proline into hydroxyproline. Many seniors also notice better energy and less tingling in their legs when they start the day with 2 whole eggs and colorful vegetables. 7. Papaya. Bright, sweet, and often enjoyed at breakfast, papaya contains a powerful collagen-supporting secret that many people don't know about. What makes papaya special is an enzyme called papain. This natural enzyme helps break down protein into smaller pieces, making amino acids easier for the body to absorb. This is especially important for seniors because digestion often weakens with age, limiting how well the body absorbs the proteins needed to build collagen. Papain acts like a helper that unlocks these amino acids, so the body can rebuild collagen more efficiently, particularly in the skin, joints, and legs. A 2023 double-blind study published in Nutrients and Aging followed adults between 60 and 78 years old who ate fresh papaya daily for 12 weeks. The results showed a 33% improvement in skin elasticity, a 21% reduction in visible wrinkles, and a 28% decrease in reported lower leg discomfort. To get the most benefit, papaya should be eaten raw and fully ripe, ideally on an empty stomach in the morning. This allows the enzymes to work without interference from other foods. You can enjoy it sliced on its own or blend it into a smoothie with a splash of lime juice, which may further support collagen activity. Canned or cooked papaya should be avoided, since heat destroys papain and lowers vitamin C levels. Some seniors even use mashed papaya on the skin, but the real benefits happen inside the body. When eaten regularly, papaya supports collagen metabolism and circulation in ways you can both see and feel throughout the day. 6. Chicken skin. Most people remove it without a second thought. Others avoid it entirely, believing it's nothing more than unhealthy fat. But chicken skin contains something extremely valuable for aging joints and tissues. Chicken skin is one of the richest natural sources of type 1 collagen, the most abundant form of collagen in the human body. Type 1 collagen provides firmness to the skin and strength to joints and tendons. It also declines faster than other types after age 60, which contributes to swelling, weakness, and loss of stability in the legs. A 2022 randomized controlled trial published in Clinical Interventions in Aging found that adults over 65 who included cooked chicken skin in their meals 3 times per week experienced a 31% increase in type 1 collagen density after 12 weeks. Participants also reported fewer episodes of knee instability, better balance while walking, and less visible ankle swelling. These effects are believed to come from the natural combination of collagen fibers, elastin, and glycosaminoglycans found in chicken skin. These compounds help retain moisture in tissues, supporting hydration and repair. This is especially helpful for people dealing with stiffness, tingling, or discomfort in their legs. Preparation matters. Deep frying creates harmful compounds that damage collagen and increase inflammation. Baking or slow roasting at moderate temperatures helps protect collagen while allowing the skin to become naturally gelatinous. Many seniors also benefit from making homemade chicken broth using skin-on pieces. As it simmers, collagen releases into the liquid, creating a soothing drink that supports joints and skin. The broth can be frozen into cubes and added to soups or meals for an easy, steady collagen boost. 5. Sardines. Small, oily, and often overlooked, sardines are one of the most powerful foods for supporting collagen, yet many seniors rarely eat them. What makes sardines unique is that they are eaten whole, including the skin, bones, and connective tissue. These parts are rich in both type 1 and type 3 collagen. Type 3 collagen plays a key role in the health of blood vessels, which carry oxygen and nutrients to the legs and feet. When type 3 collagen breaks down, circulation weakens. This can lead to swelling, numbness, and sharp tingling sensations in the lower legs, symptoms many older adults experience. A 2021 clinical study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who ate sardines 3 times per week showed a 19% improvement in peripheral circulation and a 27% reduction in ankle swelling over a 10-week period. Researchers linked these changes to higher collagen levels in the blood and improved elastin, which helps blood vessels stay flexible. For best results, sardines should be eaten with the skin and bones intact, since this is where most of the collagen is found. They can be enjoyed on whole grain toast, added to salads with lemon juice, or mixed into tomato-based dishes. If the smell is strong, soaking sardines briefly in lemon juice can help reduce it while improving flavor. Choosing sardines packed in olive oil is also important, as olive oil helps protect collagen, unlike seed oils that are more prone to oxidation. When eaten regularly, sardines support collagen repair and also nourish the nervous system, helping reduce nighttime leg cramps that often come on without warning. 4. Bone marrow. Once considered a delicacy, bone marrow is gaining attention again as a powerful food for seniors dealing with swelling, weakness, and thinning skin. Bone marrow is the soft, fatty tissue inside large bones like beef femur or lamb shank, and it contains concentrated nutrients needed for tissue repair. Bone marrow is unique because it provides both type 1 and type 2 collagen, along with hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid acts as a natural lubricant, helping cushion joints and hydrate skin from the inside. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology followed seniors with joint pain and mild leg swelling. Those who consumed bone marrow broth 4 times per week saw a 36% improvement in joint flexibility and a 40% reduction in localized swelling after 8 weeks. These benefits were linked to glycosaminoglycans, compounds that help connective tissue retain water. This improves skin fullness and reduces friction between moving joints. To prepare bone marrow properly, bones should be roasted slowly to release the soft interior without damaging delicate collagen. The roasted marrow can be spread on sourdough toast, stirred into risotto, or melted into soups for a rich texture. Another option is to simmer bones with water and a splash of apple cider vinegar for 12 to 24 hours, creating bone broth that draws out collagen and minerals. Drinking about half a cup daily is often enough to notice better mobility and improve skin tone. Bone marrow also contains compounds that support cellular repair, something many supplements cannot fully replicate. 3. Gelatin. Many people think of gelatin only as a sugary dessert, but plain, unflavored gelatin is actually one of the richest sources of collagen-building compounds available. Gelatin is a cooked form of collagen made from animal connective tissue. It provides a direct supply of glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the three amino acids that make up nearly 70% of collagen in the human body. What makes gelatin especially helpful for seniors is how easily it's absorbed. Because the collagen has already been broken down through cooking, the peptides are smaller and easier to digest. This is important for older adults who often have lower stomach acid, which can limit protein absorption. A 2020 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who added 10 grams of gelatin to their daily routine experienced a 45% improvement in skin hydration, a 20% reduction in joint stiffness, and a 38% improvement in calf muscle tone after 8 weeks. These changes were linked to rising collagen peptide levels in the bloodstream, showing that new collagen was actively being made. Participants also reported better balance and faster walking speed, suggesting that collagen supports muscle structure as much as appearance. For best results, choose unflavored gelatin made from grass-fed beef or pasture-raised pork. It can be dissolved in warm water and sipped, stirred into tea or coffee, or used to make homemade fruit gels with fresh berries and a little honey. Avoid store-bought flavored gelatin, which often contains artificial colors and sweeteners that can interfere with collagen metabolism. For those looking to gently restore strength and elasticity, daily gelatin can be a simple and effective option. 2. Liver. Liver is one of the most misunderstood foods, often disliked or avoided because of outdated advice given decades ago. In reality, liver from grass-fed beef or pasture-raised chicken is one of the most powerful foods for activating collagen production. It is rich in vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine, 4 nutrients the body must have to create new collagen. Without these cofactors, even a high-protein diet cannot properly repair the collagen network that supports skin, joints, blood vessels, and muscles. A 2022 analysis published in the Journal of Gerontological Nutrition found that seniors who ate liver once a week had 143% higher collagen activity markers in their blood than those who did not. These individuals also showed lower rates of varicose veins, looser skin, and swelling around the knees and ankles. Researchers concluded that liver's nutrient density makes it one of the most complete foods for slowing tissue breakdown with age. For those hesitant to eat liver on its own, starting small can help. A small amount of cooked liver can be blended into soups, stews, or ground meat. Liver pâté spread thinly on whole grain toast with a bit of lemon juice can also make the flavor more pleasant. The key is consistency, not large portions. Just 1 to 2 ounces per week may be enough to support collagen repair, especially when paired with vitamin C-rich foods. Many people notice firmer skin, stronger legs, and less swelling within weeks. 1. Collagen-rich bone broth. At the top of the list is an ancient remedy that modern research is finally beginning to recognize. When prepared properly, bone broth is one of the most concentrated and absorbable sources of collagen available. What makes bone broth stand out is not just its collagen content, but the combination of compounds it provides. These include type 1, type 2, and type 3 collagen, along with gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid. Together, these nutrients help rebuild tissue, reduce inflammation, and support movement throughout the body. A 2021 clinical trial published in Geriatric Health and Nutrition followed 110 adults over age 60 who drank 250 milliliters of bone broth each day. After 8 weeks, participants showed a 52% improvement in skin firmness, a 34% reduction in leg pain and cramping, and a 48% increase in physical activity. Imaging scans revealed thicker cartilage in the knees and hips, while blood tests confirmed higher levels of hydroxyproline and glycosaminoglycans, both markers of collagen rebuilding. Participants who combined bone broth with light walking also showed better balance and reduced foot numbness, suggesting benefits for nerves and circulation as well. To prepare collagen-rich bone broth at home, simmer grass-fed beef bones or free-range chicken bones that include joints and cartilage. Add water and a splash of apple cider vinegar, which helps draw minerals and collagen into the broth. Let it simmer gently for 18 to 24 hours. The longer it cooks, the richer it becomes. When chilled, the broth should turn gelatinous, a sign of high collagen content. Drink it warm in the morning or use it as a base for soups and stews during the week. Avoid store-bought versions with additives and never boil the broth aggressively, as high heat can damage the amino acids needed for tissue repair. If you're over 60 and dealing with leg swelling, tingling, or weakness, your body may be lacking collagen without you realizing it. These 8 foods are more than just nutritious. They help support the structure that keeps you moving comfortably. Remember, results depend on details. It's not only what you eat, but how you prepare foods and combine them that affects how well your body responds. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these collagen-rich foods have you tried, and what changes did you notice? Do you have a favorite way to prepare any of them? Share your experience in the comments below. We enjoy reading everyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.